And that meter readings also we need to take. How many kilometers he traveled in that week or in that month. So while confirming reservation, that fuel information also we need to track. Who will track that fuel information? From clerk we need to take. Clerk need to check before sending car to the pickup. So fuel we need to check. That meter reading also we need to check. So that one also he need to mention. Or else if you book for month, and in that month if you travel for 1 lakh kilometers, if your car limit if it is exceeds, we need to throw that car. So some limit also we need to provide. In a month he need to travel only for 1000 kilometers, only for 2000 kilometers. If he reserve for 1 hour, maximum he can rotate, maximum he can travel 1 hour. For 1 hour he can travel maximum. So that limits also we need to that readings also we need to take. If we exceed that readings, we can provide some limitations to user. I need to provide some limitations to the user. If you try to travel for 1 week, for 1 week just I want to provide only 500 kilometers or only 1000 kilometers. Only 1000 kilometers he need to travel. More than 1000 kilometers if he travel, after coming back, after taking that car again, after putting that car into pool, while taking that car from user, clerk need to charge more or manager need to charge more based on readings. So that readings also we need to maintain. So application need to maintain fuel and kilometer readings. While sending vehicle clerk need to take existing fuel and meter kilometer readings. What we need to call that meter? That meter name is speedometer. Speed meter readings. Existing fuel and speedometer readings we need to take. In case if user exceeds the given limits, need to charge more. In this requirement we need to mention some points there. While booking, while reserving itself, we need to provide some limitations. That limitations also he need to select. If he select for week, then he need to provide his required hours. So we need to maintain minimum time per week to charge from the user. Minimum time per week only 100 hours or only 500 hours. Only 100 kilometers or 500 kilometers or some 1000 kilometers. That is my minimum weekly travel limit, travel kilometers limit. If you exceed more, if you want to travel more than 1000 kilometers, while doing reservation itself also he can select. If you exceed that one also, we can charge more. So that charges also we need to apply while confirming the reservation itself. While confirming the reservation itself, that charges also we need to apply. So that one also we need to note. And halting charges per week if you book, not required. For day if you book also not required. Per hour if you book, if you do some waiting, 15 minutes waiting or half an hour waiting, waiting charges also we need to apply. Per minute basis.
After 10 minutes, it is the
so some limit also they will provide. Default 10 minutes they will provide. If you exceed more than 10 limits, Per minute again we need to charge some cost. It's based on season. So seasons, maybe if it is from Hyderabad to Goa, we need to charge more. Again, if you try to travel in Goa, we need to pay some taxes. In India, client need to pay taxes. If it is other country, user need to pay the taxes. So if you want to go to some places like Goa kind of places, there the charges are more. While reaching, I mean before entering into Goa, we need to pay some taxes, toll taxes, compare with the remaining states. So that taxes, who need to take that burden? In India, client need to. So while doing, while toll pays, who need to pay? So for end user manually he need to pay, or else through application manually he need to pay. So that is not my risk. Then my application need to provide support. My application need to provide support to sell vehicles. That one is employee management system. We need to maintain separate module again. So one application we have to maintain again some other modules. Employee management system he need to maintain separately. That one will not come under my application, right? This one is different. I want to provide support to the end users. Mainly my focus is I want to provide support to the end users. If you required that one also, we can build it as like one module, one separate module. That one is independent. We no need to link up with this one. To sell the vehicles, my application need to provide support to sell the vehicles. And for managers and clients, clerks, also we need to provide some credentials. Manager need to have capabilities. Manager need to have capabilities. Manager need to have capabilities to add vehicle, to update vehicle, and delete vehicle. Who will add vehicles? Manager can add. If you assign a manager for a particular branch, he can add vehicles. So that credentials to the manager we need to provide. And the meter readings, all these managers will not take. If you have a client clerk application, clerk can log into his tab or his mobile, he can track that information while sending vehicle before to the end user. So we know the client required capabilities. For clerk what we need to provide? Clerk need to track while sending vehicle, clerk need to take existing fuel and speedometer ratings. These are for only clerk. Here these capabilities are for manager, and these capabilities are for admin, and the remaining all for end user.
Workflow requirement?
What?
Workflow requirement for manager and admin.
If he is adding a branch, instead of directly adding a workflow, who is higher officials or something, like if a clerk adds a branch, now it will go for acceptance. For the manager acceptance?
Not required if it is a simple application. If you have huge employee management, if you want to do huge employees management, then you require. But credentials of adding employees, you need to provide to the admin. In minimum employee cases. If you have maximum employees, then hiring employees also you need to provide to the managers, or else you need to provide to the HR departments. And some levels, in levels they need to do the acceptance. After confirming all the acceptance only, we can hire that employee as a company employee.
Any reports?
Reports we need to, client need to ask. Reports, monthly reports, weekly reports. my application need to generate how much business happened in this month or for this quarter or for this year. That reports he need to generate. So that support also he can ask. My application need to provide support to generate the reports. Manager also need to take some reports. Clerk also he may need some reports, fuel reports. Existing fuel reports if you want to see, he can see. He can calculate the now how much fuel we have in the particular vehicle. So reports, again reports module. Admin can ask here for the reports. Application need to provide reports. Report support. For admin need to generate reports of vehicles and need to generate reports of vehicles and reports of reservations, reports of vehicles and reports of managers, reports of clerks, reports of vehicles means that cars, reports of cars and reports of reservations and reports of drivers. Payments. How many payments happened through credit card? How many payments happened through debit card? How many DDs they taken? Payments. And so that too, while taking that reports on day basis he can take, on hourly basis also he need to take, that capabilities need to provide. On monthly basis also he may ask, on yearly basis also he may ask. So the reports need to generate for hourly basis and for day basis and for week basis and monthly basis. And what he can ask? Now we are in client end. As a client we need to think. So as a client he may ask these kind of requirements. And what he can ask? Anything else here? Anything else?
User tracking.
User?
Tracking.
So how we can track?
Tracker can call the manager or clerk, update the status, and by this or whenever user selects
GPS.
Whenever user selects the source and destination, automatically direction will be.
Is it simple? Adding GPS? Here I can take that requirement, but while doing implementations, is it simple? Tracking GPS information? Can we have any free GPS APIs? Any free GPS API? We need to pay. That mobile message is also not possible. We need to pay. Mails are free. Only mails we can put. So vehicle tracking, if you put that module, what they need to do? That user need to enter every hour or every minute. He need to enter his location status. Or else clerk need to call to that particular people. He need to take the status. So that you can ask. Clerk can enter some default values. If he is not reachable, user, he can enter some default boarding points. So for clerk you can provide that support. So which feature? User tracking. User tracking system. That one is different actually. Users tracking. User tracking.
Mailing service is also. If messaging is not working, then we can work with mailing. You can send mails to the end user client.
We can send, that's what I said. We can send mails. Messages are not possible. We can send mails.
So it is for the user's family or friend, user tracking.
User tracking?
When the family or friends, where he is now currently.
You need to ask only user. While they're doing reservation, you need to ask user mobile number, user address. You need to call to that mobile number, or you need to send some mails to that user. Actually, if you have GPS, then you can do automation. But manually doing tracking is not that much simple. They need to hire some call center people. I mean, they need to take some people to make calls. If I have 1,000 cars, if they went out, so who need to call to the 1,000 drivers, or who need to call to the 1,000 clients?
If there is a logging system for tracking, then it will be easy. No need
It need to be automated system. While by using GPS, you need to take that information. GPS tracking system you need to build. Here, yes, you can ask as a client. To provide that support, we can charge more. So that GPS system support also he can ask. Okay, in our requirements I'll put for user tracking GPS. Through GPS means global position system. By using GPS also we can track. So the tracking also you can take if possible. The tracking also he may ask. As a client can ask. User tracking through the GPS. And what we can, as a client, what we can ask? Anything else? User requirements, admin requirements, clerk requirements, manager requirements. We have complete requirements sheet, SRS documentation, and what he may require. Think anything else? Yeah, while before sending it to next levels itself, we need to cross check multiple times. Why? Because once if it is go to the next level, again they need to send back, again we need to do the analysis. Okay, it will take more time. That one is employee management system. We need to maintain for employees. And
At least driver also.
driver information only we should maintain. Driver insurance, that one, driver salaries, payments, and everything will come under employee management system. It is not a simple module to maintain. Again, you have to build a complete application. Employee management application we need to build. Who need to manage that one? As a manager can manage, or else admin can manage. So that credentials employee management system vendor need to provide. So now I want to give this application to a particular vendor like TCS. I can provide that employee management system to a Cognizant people or for any other vendors. Actually, clients, they will not give complete application to one vendor. Module wise, they will give to different vendors. If that module, if it required secured, and if it have more business functionalities if they have in that particular module, they will assign that particular module to the quality people. They will give to the quality developers. Quality developers who will maintain some multinational companies like your Deloitte, IBM, Arkell, Infosys. Okay, that kind of companies will take over. I mean, these clients call that particular vendor people instead of calling small companies. If it is a simple requirement module, they will not invest more. They will call for the small vendor companies. So we know the charges basis. Actually, TCS will charge up to $22 per hour. Per hourly basis, we can give contract this application to the vendor, or for weekly basis, I mean, for complete application basis also we can give.
Integration with the existing data.
Integration support this application. If they have already existing notebooks, something in notebooks, if they have already existing data, if the application, I mean, before going to web support, already if they have application as a client, I have already I have already some management system, but manually I'm managing all the things. So if you have any already existing data, that data also we need to dump into database. That one also we need to specify in requirements. If you don't specify in requirements, after doing development, if you ask vendor, again they will charge. So we need to put existing information, integration. We need to call it as integration, or we need to dump it actually. Existing information need to dump. Need to dump to the database. So existing information, it may have 10 years or 20 years data. That years also you need to specify. While doing business analysis, they need to talk all these. If they ask for existing data dump operations, if you accept without knowing the years or without knowing the days, if you give us 10 years data, we need to hire employees data, who will enter? The data entry guys. From them we need to take data again. We need to take in the form of Excel sheets or notepads, and again the data we need to read and we need to keep it into database. So that complete information as a vendor we need to take. Client may not say, but as a business analyst you need to listen all this while saying his requirement. He will call vendor people. As a client, I can call vendor people. After completion of my business analysis, after completion of my system architecture designing, everything, I can call vendor people. While discussing with vendors, I need to raise all these points. And vendors also, they need to listen. They need to raise some doubts if they have any doubts here. So for how many users? For how many years? If they have file system, okay, easily we can do it. If they don't have, if they are maintaining in hard copies,